Hi everyone, today we're making flat iron steak. Here's the list of ingredients. You want to make sure to pat the meat dry. Then we're going to slice it in half. We're going to add salt. And we're going to season it with all-purpose seasoning of your choice. I'm using one called Essence from Emerald Lagasse. That's my favorite. You want to massage the dry rub onto the meat. You want to flip and repeat the same process on the other side. I already have a cast iron skillet preheating with 1 tablespoon of bacon fat. After about 5 minutes, you want to flip the meat and you just want to leave it alone. Let it do its thing and get that nice golden brown crust. You want to flip it again after another 5 minutes for a total of 20 minutes on both sides, and that'll give you about a medium well. You want to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so that all the juices don't come running out. You always want to slice against the grain, and look at that beautiful pink medium well. Nice, juicy, and tender. And that's a simple, delicious flat iron steak. Enjoy!